So today I'm going to show you how to add clean, professional vignette in Photoshop. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to transfer any flat looking photo into something dramatic and eye-catching. But before we jump in, there's one trick Photoshop users always miss. A single step that turns a basic vignette into a smooth, cinematic lighting effect. It's kind of like a hidden Chrome setting that instantly fixes freezing. Once you know where to click, the whole image just pops. I'll show you that moment in just a bit. Alright, let's load the image into Photoshop. Now, instead of using the automatic vignette filters, we're going to build our own, which gives you full control. So first, we have to fill in a gradient. Select radial for the style option. Then at the bottom, put a check on reverse. From here, adjust the scale. Increase or decrease, it depends on your style. So how soft you want in the vignette. Then after that, click OK to save. Then finally, change the blend mode to multiply. Instantly, the lighting wraps around your subject, the edges darken smoothly, and the whole image feels more dramatic and professional. If the vignette looks too strong, just lower down the opacity or a slight blur to the layer to soften the edges. This gives you cinematic fade without the harsh circle shadow. And just like that, your photo goes from flat to focus with a clean vignette that matches any style. If you want more Photoshop tutorials like this, hit like, subscribe, and comment what effect you want to make cover next. I'll see you on the next video.